Hi guys, it's Dan here, and today we're going to be showing you how to create the accounts through the account store on RankWyz. So before I actually go into the account store itself, I'm just going to run through the plans and pricing section here. Because if you have the wizard account, which is the most basic account, as you can see on your web account creator tab down here, this actually is not included in this package. So if you do have the wizard account, you're not actually able to create the free accounts every single day. But don't be too disheartened by that, because I'm going to show you what the Wizard Pro and the Agency Wizard accounts can do, and it might actually tempt you to purchase those more expensive accounts due to this feature, because it is a massive feature in RankWyz. So if we go into Wizard Pro here, as you can see, web account creator down here, if you have the Pro 15,000 section, you can actually create 15 accounts per day, which essentially refers to creating 15 free Web 2.0 accounts, which are niche relevant, have your own description, own title of the blog itself, and they're just great to have, really, because obviously if someone offered you 15 free accounts per day that Web 2.0 is relevant to your site, you'd say, yep, that's absolutely fantastic. So if you can have that, then it's really great. So these get better as you go across. So if you have the Pro 30,000 account, you can get 30 accounts per day. And then the Pro 60,000 account for the Wizard Pro, you can have 60 accounts per day, which is actually really great. If you have purchased the most expensive option, which is the Agency Wizard, then you're going to really feel the benefits of this, because as you can see, Agency 100,000 allows for 100 accounts per day. Agency 150,000 allows for 150 accounts per day, and the big one, the Agency 300,000, allows for 300 accounts per day, which is absolutely massive if you think about it. Getting 300 free niche relevant Web 2.0 accounts to your website is really great by any standards. So let me go in and show you how to do that now. So obviously it's depending on which account you have and which plan you have. So if you do have the Agency 300,000, like we do here, we'll show you how to create 300 accounts per day. However, having said that, don't take this figure too literally. So if you were to have the 300,000, for example, don't expect to be getting 300 accounts every single day consistently. Sometimes it will drop, and sometimes you'll get a little bit more, and it just kind of depends on the day, really. But don't be too disheartened by that. So if I just go into the marketplace here, you've got the account store, the account creator, and this SEO domains. You need to just be going into this middle one here, the account creator, so just click that, and it'll send you through. So as you can see here, here's all the accounts that I've been created previously over the last few days. As you can see, I tried to make it as consistent as possible. Some of the weekends are missed out, but mainly in the weekdays I try and do it every single day, because I just don't want to be missing out on that massive figure of Web 2.0s every day, really. As I said, it's very powerful for your website. So as you can see, they've all been completed, so they've all worked every single day. But as I just touched on earlier, some days you might not get as many accounts. So obviously down here you've got 249, 247, 160. Recently, it's been very consistent at 300, but if it occasionally does drop and you have some days where it only makes 7, that day, for example, only made 0, don't be too disheartened. I'd only worry, really, if that was doing that consistently. But as you can see, it's been fairly consistent with the amount of accounts it's been creating, and it's a really good system, as I said, so don't be too bothered if that does happen with you. So to actually go in and create the accounts, there's a little button here that says Create Order, so you just click on that there, and it comes up with this menu. So for purpose of the video, let's say we're an SEO company, and we wanted to call our username corporate SEO. So you just type that in there, and there's your username in there. So that's nice and easy. You just do one of those for that. You can do multiple if you want to, but I tend to just do one per 300 account. And then you've got your titles and your taglines here. Titles and taglines I tried to do quite a few for. So obviously if I was going to do it, I'd probably do about 15 to 20 titles, something like that. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do a few less, because it'll take quite a while to do and think of the titles itself. So if I do corporate SEO, corporate search engine optimization, SEO for businesses, because obviously it's corporate, so it's relevant. Again, search engine optimization. It's just truly trying to think of your keywords that you're going to want on your blog itself, and keep doing that. I've obviously spelled that horribly wrong. There we go. But yeah, you keep doing that maybe till you got about 15 or 20 is what I aim for. But for the purpose of the video, as I said, I'm only going to do 4 for now and maybe add some afterwards. So the taglines, I tend to just copy my titles in, and that's absolutely fine because you've got all your keywords in there. They're nice and relevant, and that's literally it. So you press save down there, and that should work fine. There you go. As you can see, it says active there and 0 accounts. So throughout the days, you're carrying on with other work. That's just going to build up and build up and build up. And as I come back tomorrow, that should say 300 accounts. And when it does, I'll show you how to put that into a relevant project, and then you can start linking out and actually adding content to those blogs itself and warm them up. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So as I said, it's just making sure you go in every day to create the amount of accounts you have. Obviously, if you do have the Wizard package, you're not going to be able to do this, but the Wizard Pro and the Agency Wizard accounts do let you do this, and as you can see, it's very beneficial, because I've probably got over 2,000, 3,000 accounts there that I can start adding content to that's niche relevant, eventually linked to some sites. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you guys later.